This is me trying to study. Study books. Trying. But someone wants to keep pulling up on the table and getting stuck. Doesn't want to play with his millions of toys over there. Would rather pull up on the coffee table or pull up on mommy and get stuck and scream all day. This is going to be a great day. Let's just hope and pray I pass this test. Alright, let's try to go back and study now. Let's see how long this lasts. Oh, look who's right by my chair again. Here he comes, trying to pull up. Mommy doesn't have a hard job at all, does she? No. Mommy has it so easy. She just sits at home all day, right? This is for all the people that say stay-at-home moms do nothing. Try studying with this right underneath you, needing you 24/7. Any man out there could not do this. I repeat, any man out there cannot do a woman's job or duties that she does. I think this about wraps up my summary. Do you see me trying to study and what I have to put up with them? Caden, tell them. Yep, that's exactly what I wanted you to tell them. Goodbye.